Linking your bank account to Google Wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage your finances and make transactions. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Sign in. Log into your Google account if prompted. Ensure you are using the account you want to link with your bank account. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the app, navigate to the payment methods section. This is usually found in the settings or main menu of the app. Step 4. Add bank account. Select the option to add a new payment method, then choose bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your bank account. This may involve confirming small deposits made by Google Wallet into your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Google Wallet, allowing for seamless transactions. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances with ease.